Behind yesterday's storm system, some really strong winds out there this afternoon with outages possible. We have a high wind warning for the southern half of the state going through this evening and a wind advisory farther north, talking the potential of gusts over 50 miles an hour this afternoon and early this evening. And again, scattered outages a possibility, really not heightened anymore from yesterday's system. There was a limited amount of ice accumulation on trees and power lines, but nonetheless, you have a day where gusts are over 50 miles an hour. You're going to have outages. You'll notice here on Futurecast that the highest of the winds expected to be this afternoon and early this evening. They do come down to gusts over 40 miles an hour tonight, and we may have a couple of more gusts over 40 to 45 miles an hour tomorrow, but we are not expecting those gusts to be quite as high as what we'll be seeing out there later this afternoon and into this evening. So just have an alternate power source ready to go. Be prepared for any sort of scattered outages across the area. Weather otherwise does look much quieter going forward starting on Wednesday. As a matter of fact, we may go from Wednesday through the weekend with nothing more than a couple of scattered flurries around.